If you're riding a 2024 or newer Honda CB650R or CBR650R and you're thinking about cleaning up the back end of the bike, this is the piece that's going to do it right. My name is Alex at Accessories International. Let's get right into it. Now this is the Evotech Performance Tail Tidy, and it's one of those upgrades that's just going to make the entire rear of your bike look more intentional. You know how the stock fender is going to hang way out there and it's kind of bulky, kind of awkward? Well, this is going to replace all of that with a sleek, minimal bracket setup that's going to tuck your license plate in tight. Now what's great about this is that it uses factory mounting points. There's going to be no drilling, there's no trimming plastic, no headaches. It's CNC machined from aircraft grade aluminum, and it's very lightweight but still feels solid once it's mounted. The whole thing is going to be powder coated in black, so it's going to hold up in the rain, the heat. It doesn't chip, it doesn't fade, and it's not going to act like some of those cheaper Tail Tidy kits out there. Now Evotech is also going to include a new LED plate light that's going to plug directly into your stock loom, which means there's no splicing wires, there's no messing around with resistors. You're just going to plug it in, bolt it on, and you are done. It's a super clean and easy install overall. The installation is going to be very beginner friendly. All the hardware that you're going to need is included, and if you've got 20 or 30 minutes of time with some basic tools, that should be plenty of time to have it on. Now my name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this for over 25 years. If you have any questions, give us a call at 786-242-5400. If you found any value out of the video, give us a like and subscribe. And if you're interested in this product, check it out at accessoryinternational.com. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.